Hello Indonesia, my name is Alheru Akbar and I'm representative of Universitas Bengkulu in Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2016. Today, I would like to propose my idea about SWAP, Speaking, Writing, Activity Project, and innovations of teaching activity to improve the quality of speaking and writing. Asian Economic Community has officially opened in December 2015. It becomes a chance and also challenge for Indonesian countries to be survive and compete in this rapid era. Human resources becomes one of the most important key to win this global challenge. Because professional workers from Indonesia will compete with other workers from other countries such as Malaysia, Philippines, and also Singapore. And it also becomes a sign for us if English becomes an urgent thing. And if we see current condition of Indonesia, Indonesia still has a lack of ability to master English. And root of all this problem is coming from educations and the learning models that apply in classroom teaching. And the second problem is because there has no innovations and learning models whenever the teacher teaches the students in the class. And also, the third problem is whenever students has no idea to speak up and also to write down their ideas into paper. And last, we consider that technology is still not well applied whenever teacher teach their students in teaching and learning process.
Bahasa Inggris itu memiliki urgensi yang amat penting disebabkan dalam rangka menghadapi era globalisasi kita dibutuhkan untuk memiliki standar nasional atau standar internasional yang sama dengan negara-negara lain. Kualitas model pembelajaran yang ada dikembangkan di Indonesia itu kecenderungannya itu kurang memiliki metode atau kualitas yang kurang baik. Penggunaan teknologi di dalam pembelajaran itu amat dibutuhkan, apalagi di zaman era digitalisasi atau di zaman ICT itu amat dibutuhkan karena dengan adanya penggunaan sarana prasarana yang berbasiskan kepada ICT itu mutlak diperlukan karena itu akan mempermudah memberikan backup terhadap pembelajaran yang berbasiskan kepada ICT.
So based on that problem, what we need is, first, innovations, because innovations will help the teacher to find out a new methodology to teach their students in the class. Second, we need to improve the quality of learning models in teaching and learning process in order to create a good input for the students. And third is, we need to apply the technology in teaching and learning process because technology will make the quality of learning become more attractive and help the students to find out new ideas through a very interesting methodology and activity.
Yes, the innovation of teaching English is needed in now because we expect the students to learn effectively in terms of time saving, and the goal can be achieved in short time. Technology is really needed to speed up our learning outcome. And the technology, lots of technologies are available in the market. So it depends on the students to be creative, to use technology.
Therefore, in order to encounter the problems, SWAP is a solution because speaking and writing activity projects has developed in order to improve the quality of speaking and writing and teaching and learning process. SWAP also an innovation of learning models which involve the applications of technology in its process. In terms of applications, the teachers only need a simple technology. For example, in speaking activity, we use only LCD projector and also audiovisual in order to make the process of learning becomes more attractive and more interesting for the students. In the writings, the teachers only need internet resources, which it can be done through distant learnings, where the students learn at home and they only need read instructions that has provided by the teacher and the blog or even WordPress. So it is very simple things that need to be done by teacher and also students with use the simple technology. So as the conclusions, Swap is very important to be applied in English learning because it provides an innovations with the technology and teaching and learning process in the classroom activities in order to improve the quality of speaking and writing for the students. So further impact is the student will have a very attractive ideas whenever they want to speak up and also whenever they want to write down their ideas into a paper.